This Remax Select Property video is presented by Tracy Whisnant. 3-bedroom 2-bath brick ranch home on approx 5.49 acres in countryside. Home has a covered front porch and a covered rear patio. Home has an attached single carport with storage room. Home is freshly painted with neutral colors. Open floor plan. Living room has lots of windows. Dining room has a brick FP West/wood stove. Kitchen has a breakfast bar. Primary bath has a tile walk-in shower. Family room is in the basement and has a wood stove. The home has a combo crawl space and basement. Basement is partially finished. Property has a barn west/2-bay tractor shed, fenced pasture, numerous storage buildings and equipment storage areas. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy Whisnant.